Hi guys, welcome back to our Kgalagadi trip. It's just after 6 a.m. The caravan is hooked up and we are on our way to Nossob. Just after Melkvlei, we spot a young male lion way off in the distance. Not a bad start to the day. A tawny eagle catches our eye as it hops from one branch to another. This morning is already shaping up to be a good one. Just before Dikbaardskolk, a mole snake crosses the road right in front of us. We stop to watch as it makes its way into the bushes alongside the road. Less than a kilometre further on, we came across another mole snake. Two snake sightings within minutes of each other. Definitely not something you see every day. At Dikbaardskolk, some yellow mongoose kept us company while we enjoyed our breakfast before continuing our journey to Nossob. At Kgalagadi, a lone male lion resting in the shade. He looks completely relaxed, seemingly content to sleep away the morning. As we continue our drive, the recent rains have transformed the landscape. Splashes of color line the roadside, with wildflowers and fresh vegetation adding a vibrant touch to the usually dry Kalahari scenery. Thank you guys for giving us a smooth drive. Camp was set up under the watchful eyes of a few feathered friends. We head out for a late afternoon drive, taking the road north towards Kwang. It isn't long before we were rewarded with another lion sighting. A group of lions is resting beneath a tree, making the most of the shade as the day slowly begins to cool. The lions seem perfectly content, stretching out and relaxed, conserving their energy for the night ahead. It's a classic Kgalagadi scene and a wonderful way to spend the last few hours of the day. Tomorrow, we'll be heading north once again to see what new adventures and wildlife encounters await us. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed today's journey.